Nice weather. Welcome to where we are, Glen.
Dito tayo pa, no?
Ang lakton talay layo.
Para lang manggit.
Okay.
Pero mga trail siguro, mga 2 hours.
Ati, bala ka mo yung abahon nyo kay Kuya Karon.
Hindi ka na mag...
May sintra, mabuti nga bag pa. Okay, go man hindi ka sila.
Hi, welcome to my vlog. This is the part 2 of our Glen visit. And this moment, we visit our friends Ate Sena. We came there for her very delicious food, arroz caldo and fruit salad. I want to say thank you, Ate, for your generosity and for the hospitality. Your food was so delicious. We enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Hello, Noy.
Good morning!
Hi, Ate!
Good
morning!
Nag-apply siya ng PPS number niya.
Kailangan.
Nagtagal pa lang ngayon,
What's bang schedule nyo?
ano na kahapon? 10-4.
2 weeks daw wala.
Alam mo noon si Cyril, pag-apply niyang ganyan, ibibigay.
For a quick, charming woodland stroll with ferry installations, Glen Ferry Trail is perfect. If you're up for something longer and scenic, try Night's Walk. If you want a full ferry and heritage experience, head to Lakgur for nature, folklore, and archaeology. Yung big mushroom. Blessed by fairies daw. Here. Nice. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. All you need is faith, trust, and a little fairy dust. Mushroom. Oh my god, gecko. Stop. It says stop a minute and smile. Nami no. Oh my god. Do project ni siya siguro. And then matent ka lang bala. Paano ka na? Ulo lang yung kasulod? Eh, cute.
Nakatawa na sa forest. Sa Japan, lang sa side forest.
Why pa?
Gusto ko kanto.
Wala. Way to do the habit ba? This way. Oh my god. May headband pa di ho. Basi may naitip na di. Mga ano gadya oh, mushroom nagagmay. May owl. Hala daw ano niyaw, may mga ladder niyaw. Tapos sa rao, dumi ano kapatay. Rao. So to may mushroom. May mushroom nagagmay.
Araw yung ano so, nung hang block.
Diin? Ari oh, ang owl? Ang owl nagbitay. It's a bit creepy. Dinara pagidu, kita mo? So, hala, nagbaliskad ang owl. Nagbaliskad siya. The hanging owl. Ang owl nag-suicide, baliskad. Hindi sa ulo. Hala, doon naguni man to pa. Creepy. It says Fisherman's Cove. Fisherman's Cove daw. And may kutsilyo. There's a knife. Damo na ko na video. And this is yeah. It's time to go home and move on.
Balik ta siguro. Wala. Okay.
Where the next destination naman? Pau. Search. Next destination. Okay. Bye. Let it be the one. Yay! The flowers and the bees. Now we're going to the beach. Beach. Sa baybay. Amo yung castle, hindi ito pwede kasulod. That's the castle. Yeah. Let's take picture. That's a ano na siya dyan? The church that you saw in the video, that's the St. Paul Church. It's located directly on the former Glynn Castle estate grounds. It stands just a short walk from the castle entrance. As you can see, that's the Glynn Castle entrance, and it's not generally open to the public because it remains a private family residence and venue owned and lived in by the Fitzgerald family. The private residence in exclusive use. The Georgian castle, built in the late 18th century and expanded with neoclassical interiors, is currently used only for private events, weddings, and exclusive group hires. There are actually two historic churches right beside Glynn Castle, each highlighting a different era in domination. One is the St. Paul Church, originally built around 1815, and then the second was the Church of the Immaculate Conception, built in 1858. If you're visiting Glynn Castle, both churches are easily walkable and offer rich historic context. St. Paul as an architectural legacy of the Knights of Glynn, in the Immaculate Conception as the enduring spiritual heart of the village. Office. Primary care. Please be good neighbor. Nami na ko nung Abbeyfield. 60 km per hour. Or Killarney, guro kay ang Kilday mo, lapit na sa aton. Nami pagdi picture along the road. They have a Glynn Tennis Club. So kanami isang place nila Ate Zena. Glynn Tennis Club annual membership, student 10, adult 20, family 40. Wow, so nice. Memorial erected to the memory of 11 people who drowned of Nakirana Point when the Mermaid turned boat owned by local merchant Thomas. Mermaid? The flowers. We are here. Oh, that the city will break my heart. The habitats, flora and fauna. So, set in our range. Don't mow, let it grow. Chair. May memory pag inade. Ay, memory man Japon, no? Nice. There's a lot of windmill. Sulod pa tadi. Glyn's Lake is actually the beautiful and versatile Shannon Estuary where the freshwater Shannon meets the sea. It's a hot spot for swimming, water sports, fishing, and pure relaxation. Thanks to its tranquil, wide-open waters and scenic surroundings, one tide times, a swimming safety guide, ferry info, or walking trail maps nearby. Just say the word. Why it feels like a lake. The tidal Shannon can feel like a tranquil, expansive lake perfect for relaxed swimming, wildlife viewing, and peaceful evenings by the water. The pier, setting, and sheltered waters give it a calm, lake-like ambience, especially at high tide. Local redators even describe it as a lovely, peaceful spot to park and watch sunrise or sunsets. They're swimming there. To swim here, they have the do's and don'ts. Extra tips. Best time 1 hour before to 1 hour after high tide. And lookout points, bring a friend or notify someone when you're swimming. And other optional gear, action camera, GPS tracker for distance, swim buoy with ID card. Wow! They're swimming. I think it's warm. Warning! Bathers are advised that high levels of bacteria have been found intermittently in samples taken at this bathing water site, which can cause illness. If you do decide to swim at this site, you should avoid swallowing or splashing water. Wash your hands before handling food. Avoid swimming with an open cut or wound.
So kung amo na di siya,
Advisable to shower after swimming. And for the Glyn swim culture, locals love open water swimming here and often form swim groups of morning clubs, especially in summer. Events like estuary swims and triathlons draw attention to Glyn's natural beauty while emphasizing safety. Our journey has come to an end. We've learned so much about different parts of history along the way. We hope you'll watch our full video and join us again next time. This had been a wonderful trip. Don't get left behind in the adventure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much. Mwah!